Welcome to our Volume 12 Corner Pop-Up Card Set walkthrough video. With this project sheet, you're going to learn how to create these super fun corner pop-up cards. These have been created for us by Carla Lavera, and you can see there's a lot of great details going on in here, really utilizing the papers and the sticker sheets that you're going to get in your Volume 12 card kit. So this is the first card you'll learn how to create in the step-by-step project sheet. And then you'll also learn this fun double pop-up feature, really utilizing those brand new sticker templates. You can see there's a lot of fun going on with these cards, that they're going to be great for all occasions, birthdays, and then with the Love Notes collection, of course, your romantic adventures. So Valentine's, weddings, anniversaries, anyone who loves instruments. So these are the three cards that the project sheet will walk you through. And then just using those same techniques and templates, you can create another additional 3 cards for a total of 6 in your kit. You're going to get the card bases and the envelopes to do so. And then you're going to have a lot of extra goodies in that card kit as well to create other cards or other fun paper crafting projects. The Volume 12 card kit features these 2 special edition buttons. You're going to get one for each of the collector's editions. You're going to get the Ivory A2 card bases and envelopes. You get 6 of each of those. And then you get both the Imagine 8x8 and the Love Notes 8x8. Just open this up and you've got this fun new 8x8 sticker sheet. There's some great little banners on there, corners, borders, frames. And then you're going to get 24 double-sided sheets of the Imagine with great cut-aparts, a lot of fun pastel steampunk images, clocks, butterflies, zeppelins, hot air balloons. Gotta love this border page. So a lot to work with there. And then of course you're going to get the Love Notes 8x8 as well. So that also has its own little special sticker sheet. And then 24 Love Notes papers. Look at these great cut-aparts. These are rich and have so many fun elements to them. Along with those 2 collector's editions, you're going to get the project sheet that's going to walk you through how to create those 3 cards with images for the other 3. And the Graphic 45 bag with a little zip top. This is a great value. You're going to get this kit for $35, but it is valued at $39 plus. So a great savings on that. So be sure to pick this up on our website at g45papers.com or head down to your local Graphic 45 retailer. Card 1. Card 2. Card 3. Card 4. Card 5. Card 6. We thank you for joining us for this video, and as always, happy paper crafting.